Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if for some reason you've got only the battery indicator, and if you'd like to see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery on the status bar, just like I have it right here, simply enter the settings. And the most natural way of setting the percentage will be through the battery settings. However, in this device we have to enter the notifications. So let's tap on it and then tap on advanced settings. As you can see, the second option is connected with and showing the battery percentage. In my case, it is of course turned on. If you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher and the percentage will be applied next to the battery icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.